Can you tell me the story of Joseph?
They're brothers and Joseph. They're 12 brothers and Joseph, and their father, Jacob, lived in the story of Joseph.
And what happened to Joseph?
He has been sent to Egypt.
And what did Joseph's dad give him?
A rainbow coat.
And did his brothers like it?
No, they got jealous.
Where
And
could
they
I,
sent them to Egypt.
where could I read this story?
In the Bible,
And when did the story happen?
a long time ago.
And what's God's special message to us?
Forgive people